Take command of the road in the 2012 Dodge Durango. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power trunk closing assist, voice-activated navigation, automatic dimming door mirrors, reverse sensing system, and power front seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 40-gigabyte hard drive, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.